Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, magpo-food trip muna ako sa The Plaza Cafe. Sa likod lang to ng plaza guys, sa San Jose Antique. So umorder nga ako ng strawberry banana shake for 165, soup cabbage roll for 260, chicken lollipop for 275, Salisbury steak with veggies for 295. Masarap yung foods nila guys. Try nyo. Ito nga pala yung menu nila guys. So ayun lang guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Follow nyo na rin ako guys for more videos. Thank you.